So the last video I showed you was how to fold the thinner scarf and tie that on your head in a bow. Now I'm going to show you how to do more of the retro Rosie Riveter folding of bandana style scarf. So you need a square cotton bandana or scarf. Then what you'll do is take one of the corners, fold it to the middle like that. Take the other opposite corner, kind of lay it over the top, so you've got it in the middle like that. Sorry, that wasn't fantastic. And then you fold a little bit more of each side in, so it looks like that. So you've got your two pointy corners out at the side, and your other two corners have been folded in twice into the center. So you kind of have two long bits and two pointy bits on the end. Then we'll bring our glamorous assistant Lily in, and what you'll do then is place that folded side in towards your head. And with this look, you are having more of a puffiness, and I'll show you what I mean by that. Because, you know, if you were Rosie Riveter and you were working in the factories, you're not going to want the back of your hair poking up. So what we do is we tie our knot on top like that. Grab our friends the bobby pins. And we're securing at the side, each side. Then we don't want our hair sticking out like that because it looks rather strange. So what we do is we tuck that hair into the headscarf. Might require a little bit of work. And then what I do is I tend to pull the bottom down like that and pull the top up, and then just play around until the hair and the scarf is sitting where I want. If you don't want that look where it's sticking out in points, what you can do is just fold those bits in and secure with a bobby pin. Now what you'll find is that the shorter your hair is, the easier the Rosie Riveter is to do, because you don't have as much hair to secure into that. Sometimes, depending on how much hair I have, I'll put a bobby pin down the bottom there just to secure my my hair so my headscarf doesn't slip off. But there you have the Rosie Riveter headscarf fold.